What's going on, everybody? Today I am playing more Among Us, and as you can tell in the last video, I hate Among Us. Well, that is true. I really do hate Among Us because there's so many. Part 1 is I hate dying. It's scary. The sound effects are scary. Second of all, losing. Third of all, I can't even join a one simple server. Like, some of you guys might be like, "What, Elijah, what are you talking about?" Well, you'll see what I'm talking about. You will see what I'm talking about. Alright, so, let's see. I want to join this guy. Alright, let's join this guy. It lets me join. The first try, it lets me join. But then second tries, it will never let me join. Oh, wow, that's a surprise. Well, that's a surprise, isn't it? Huh? Yeah. Okay, maybe change your minds. I love Among Us. Kind of. Oh, God, we are slow. So slow that I'm gonna get voted out. Fourth of all, I don't like getting voted out. And yeah, that's basically it. That is basically why I hate Among Us. Those are all my reasons. Now, at least let's just try to find someone to kill. I'm not very good at being the imposter. If you guys have any ideas, oh boy, if you guys have any ideas on how to be a better imposter, please leave it in the comments down below. It would really help me out. So yes, please do. Please do so. Oh. Alright, I never even did anything. Alright, that's weird. That's weird. Okay. Pink sus. Why pink? Why pink? I'm asking him why pink. I mean, he's my teammate, so pigeon, chicken. I think purple. Neen? His name's Neen? Okay. I just want to win as the imposter! Why me? Alright, saw purple in calf. Alright, I guess we're gonna vote purple. I mean, he is kind of blaming pink, so let's vote him out. Alright, please vote! Purple, vote! I don't want to sit here and just wait. Oh my goodness, 5 seconds left though, so. Purple vote, oh boy. Oh, okay. And now he was not. Now I have to sabotage communications so they can't click that button. Alright, let's sabotage communications. Let's try a stack kill. I have never tried stack killing. Someone here? Oh, we got him there. Alright, well, we got my buddy. What? Oh, okay. Alright, I'm not very good at fixing it, so that's one thing. I'm not very good at fixing it. It's kind of difficult for me. No one's up here. Alright, let's go kill the guy that's on cameras, cause you know that's really bad. Alright, lock the doors. Kill. Vent. Oh no. Orange faked task. So it's orange. So it's orange. I'm not that fast at typing though, so. Okay, then orange. Okay, then orange. Alright, let's vote orange. Alright, bye orange. Hope you enjoy your days off. Wait, did he just say, wait, hold on. What's that? Oh, okay, black said it's orange. Alright, black said. Alright, both white and black are saying it. Okay. There's gonna be an easier chance for us to win. Yeah. Let's just see if we can win. Oh. I only killed one person. That's kind of lame. That's actually kind of lame. Why did they just glitch? What the? Alright, let's join a different server now. Alright. Rain, oh my. See, this is what I hate about Among Us a lot, because I can't even see what's happening right now. I click a server. Oh, what? 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 Alright, let's be lime. Oh my gosh, I'm the only one I'm the only one here that's using a computer. Oh wow. Alright, let's see. Oh my goodness. Alright, let's just try not to die. That's it. That's all I want to ask you guys. Try not to die. Oh my goodness, this task. Just get in there, Leafs. Oh my god, what? I can't even do one task because of you. I can't even do one task because of you. Oh my goodness. You know, I'm skipping because this is I know what voted me. Okay. Nice to know. Nice. Alright. Alright, Leaves. You must leave out of here. Get it? Alright. Oh my god! Stop it! Will ya? Jeez! Okay, you know what? Vote yellow. Vote yellow. Right now, I mean it. Right now, I mean it. Yellow, you're so sus. Okay, I will sign. Okay, I will sign. Alright. Gray scanned. Wait, there's a gray? There's no gray. There's no gray in here, is there? Is there a gray? Is there a way he could hack to become gray? Oh, well, he's not the imposter, but I just wanted him voted out so I can complete my task. Alright, where's Cyan? Let's quickly do wires. Just do wires without dying, and I hate wires as well, Cyan. Oh god, I hate wires. Oh my goodness, this is a problem with wires, and I really don't care about that, because I just want to complete the task. Of course we're gonna die, but oh jeez. Please. No. Okay, we're good. Oh wait, I have the. Please stay away. Just stay away, please. Oh my goodness. No! I hate Among Us. All I'm gonna say is that I hate Among Us. Oh my jeez.